Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a look, as we do usually, of a desktop, laptop, computer that might be interesting, that is on the market for Windows 8. It's, I believe, not available right now, but they are, I know the Acer website is taking pre-orders on it, and it's the Aspire R7 571. It has that Star Trek high-tech look, and actually they're making a little contest with that. You can actually you can pre-order and have it with the free Star Trek video game download. So really have a little offer here. And this is a very cool laptop. It's actually a notebook, a tablet, and it's revolutionary in its way of being made and doing stuff. The fact that there's a very nice screen. They have what it's called bezel hinge, and this screen will actually flip and turn around into different modes. So for example, you can see here, you can have your notebook mode. What's interesting is to note that the pad is on the top, not at the bottom. That's very interesting. Bezel mode, where you have the screen angles like a laptop and is really close to the keyboard. And one of the reasons why it's like that is because this is a touch screen, so you want to have it as close to the keyboard. And it's I think a very nice move from Acer to put the pad at the top, because I believe that unless some really special features needed, you will probably use the touchscreen much more than you'll use a pad in Windows 8. By putting the screen fully down, you become you have a full tablet, which is very nice. So it becomes a tablet and basically hangs like a tablet, and has what's called display mode. And this is, for example, if you're having a presentation or a movie and you want to show something to a group. Well, what's cool here is that the screen is actually turned around 180 degrees, and basically you you use your laptop or notebook more like a stand actually than a computer form. So it's really nice, very cool, and I must say that it's a very tempting offer from Acer. And it has LED lights on the screen, so it's basically a LED backlit screen. And if we look at what's available for pre-order with the video game here, is that the R7 571 6858. So what does it show us? Well, it shows, first of all, you can see here their offer with Star Trek. It's a Windows 8 machine. It has third generation Intel Core i5 processor at 1.8 gigahertz with Turbo Boost technology up to 2.7. It has a 15.6 inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 screen, and it's a widescreen, LED backlit display, multi-touch screen supporting 10-finger touch. So it means that it's really a multi-touch thing. You can 10 fingers will all have their points on the screen that are kind of used, which is pretty nice. And when you turn it into a tablet, what's cool now is that makes your computer in a tablet mode with a 15.6 inch screen, which makes it a big tablet. So if you find that iPads or regular Android tablets are a little small for viewing, well, this one gives you a full 15.6 inch tablet if you wish. Has 6 gigs of memory, DDR3 dual channel, 500 gigabyte SATA hard drive, which is the standard 5400 RPM. Has a 24 gigabyte SSD drive, and it's interesting because it means that you can actually boot and your SSD drive makes your Windows a lot faster, and you still have 500 gigabytes of storage in a hard drive, regular magnetic hard drive. It has Intel HD 4000 graphics, not the best. Unfortunately, I'm a little turned off by Intel graphics, but still, it's a decent performance graphic chip. I know that this R7 will come in multiple configurations, which means that probably we'll have some configs with faster processors, but also with different chips for the graphics. So ATI or NVIDIA probably will have their own little Intel chip processor with different types of graphics performance. HD webcams, 1280 by 720, secure digital SD card reader, has BGN, ABGN Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth 4.0 plus HS, USB 3 HDMI port, and with HDCP port support, so which is high definition. Multi-gesture touchpad, so even the touchpad is multi-gesture. Has a 3560 milliamp hour battery, which gives you up to 4-hour battery life. As we all know, what's battery life? Battery life is kind of a little problem here in laptop computers. 4 hours if you don't do much, just email and stuff like that, but probably a lot less if you start playing around. For example, to that Star Trek game, you won't have 4 hours, or if you're watching videos, DVDs, will typically, really lower your performance. But it's still interesting to have up to 4 hours, and when you're in tablet mode, for example, could be really, really nice. So they're asking for a mean retail price, mean sales retail price of $9.99. I wouldn't be surprised if the big companies like Best Buy or Future Shop will have it at maybe a lower price, especially if they buy a lot of them. But it is available as pre-order for $9.99, which is a nice, really nice offer here. If you buy it on the website, well, you have that free Star Trek video game offer. Basically, how it happens is you see here, it has a digital download from the Windows, from the Microsoft Store. And I'm personally impressed at basically the way this laptop can transfer itself into different modes, and that's really, really cool. If you're looking for something that's probably going to be the maximum usage for you, today what we have a laptop, we have a tablet, I have an iPad. I have this Toshiba laptop, I have my iPhone. We basically have a million devices. What's nice here is that this offer gives you a laptop, a notebook computer, but it also gives you a tablet. Yep, it's bigger than an iPad, so if you're looking for something small for a tablet, well, that's not the case. It's 15.6 inches screen. That probably means that it's slightly more with the outer edge, so it could be more than 16 inches, which makes it a big tablet if you want to, go around with it. But all the features of this new R7 laptop tablet style is quite interesting. Touchscreen, I think this is a winner laptop for all sorts of uses in Windows 8. If you enjoyed these reviews of computers and new models coming up and what they mean and what they are, let us know. If you have that new Windows 8 laptop, want to learn more, well, hey, we have lots of videos online to help you. Maybe you have comments, questions. Maybe you have a video you'd like to see about a Windows 8 feature, let us know also. And of course, take a look at our other videos if you have that new Windows 8 laptop. I believe that you will learn a lot from browsing our different videos. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll learn when new videos are online. Bye-bye.